Welcome to A Stories. The Blue Bird and the White Cat. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a beautiful blue bird named Bella and a charming white cat named Snowy. They were the best friends, even though they were very different. Bella loved to fly high in the sky and sing sweet songs. Every morning, she would greet the sun with her cheerful melodies. On the other hand, Snowy enjoyed lounging in the warm sun and chasing butterflies in the garden. He loved the peaceful life on the ground. One sunny day, Bella was flying around looking for some berries to eat. She spotted a big red berry bush near the edge of the village. Excited, she flew down to pick some berries. As she was eating, she heard a soft meow. It was Snowy.
"Hello, Snowy. What are you doing here?"
Bella asked happily.
"Hi, Bella.
Snowy purred.
I saw you flying and thought I would join you. These berries look delicious."
Bella and Snowy shared the berries and chatted about their day. They talked about the beautiful flowers Bella saw from the sky and the fun Snowy had chasing butterflies. As the day went on, Bella and Snowy decided to explore the village together. Bella flew low so she could stay close to Snowy. They visited the market, where people were selling fresh fruits and vegetables. Bella sang a song and everyone stopped to listen. Snowy danced around, making the children laugh. After a while they reached the village park. Bella perched on a tree branch while Snowy lay down on the soft grass. They enjoyed the gentle breeze and the sound of leaves rustling.
"Bella, do you ever get lonely up there in the sky?"
Snowy asked curiously.
"Sometimes,"
Bella admitted.
"but I always know I can come down and spend time with you, my dear friend."
Snowy smiled.
"I'm glad you're my friend, Bella. You make my days so much brighter."
"And you make my days more exciting, Snowy,"
Bella replied. From that day on, Bella and Snowy made it a habit to spend time together every day. They would explore new places, share stories, and enjoy each other's company. They showed everyone in the village that true friendship knows no boundaries. Bella and Snowy taught the villagers that being different is what makes friendship special. They learned that it's important to appreciate and celebrate each other's unique qualities. And so, the blue bird and the white cat continued to live happily in their village, spreading joy and friendship wherever they went.
Vocabulary list.
Village. A small town or community. Melody. A sequence of musical notes that are pleasant to listen to. Bush. A plant with many branches. Perch. To sit or rest on something, usually elevated. Breeze. A gentle wind. Rustling. A soft swishing sound made by the movement of leaves or paper. Curiously. In a way that shows a desire to learn or know more. Habit. A regular practice or routine. Thanks for watching.